Last time we seen about the equation of G. G is equal to Gm divided by R square. Now one question is that the value of G is same everywhere on the earth? The answer is no. So it changes according to the surface, according to the height as well as according to the depth. So how it changes, that we will see now in this point. First is value of G on the surface of earth. Surface of earth. For this point, we will see one diagram. Now see the shape of earth. Suppose this is the shape of earth. It is not exactly spherical. Suppose we consider from the center, this is the equator. Means this. At the equator, the earth bulges. And here pole. One north pole and south pole. At the pole, this is somewhat flattened in shape. And here at the equator, it is a bulges. So, if we count the radius of the earth at the equator, it will be more. Means the radius is more at the equator. Now, how we can decide the value of G at the equator? Our formula is G is equal to capital G, mass of the earth divided by R square. Means if R is increase, then G will be decrease. Here, the value of R is increase at the equator as compared to the pole. See, this also one distance and see the distance, this distance. So, the value of R is more at the equator and value of R is less as compared to this at this one north and south pole. From this we can say that at equator the value of G is less or decreases, and at the pole the value of G is increases because R is small. So there is also one type of difference. Now the next point is change in a height. So when changes in a height means as we go above the surface at more height on the earth, then the value of R will be increases. And if the value of R is increases, value of G decreases. So as we go above at the height, the value of G decreases. One example is that when the aeroplane, suppose the 6400 kilometer height, radius of the earth, and aeroplane is flying above the surface of the earth at a 10 kilometer. If we add this, we get the value 64010 kilometer above the earth's surface. But this value is not more and the value of G is not different, means there is not changing in the value of G. Why? Because this is not more in height. But whenever we can try about the height of the artificial satellite, then what will happen? The satellite is more at height. So at that time the value of G is changes. But up to this considerable or negligible height, the value of G is not changes. So as we go at the height, the value of G is decreases. Now the third is according to the depth. As we go deep inside the earth, the value of G again decreases. So here at the surface of earth, at the height and the depth, the value of G are different. Now the next point is mass and weight. So what is mean by mass and what is mean by weight? And that difference now I will continue. Suppose this is one duster or any object, or this one is a chalk. So what is the mass of this duster? The mass of the duster is whatever matter is present inside the duster is called as a mass. Suppose I am taking this duster at any other place, then again the matter will be same. So the mass cannot be changes. Mass of the duster or mass of the object cannot be changes. Everywhere it is a same. And the mass, this one is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of the mass is kilogram. These are the major points of the mass. Now what is meant by weight of this duster? Weight means, suppose the earth is creating one force, gravitational force, and that gravitational force means the weight of an object is defined as the force with which the object attracts towards the earth. That is called as a weight, and it is a vector quantity. Weight is a vector quantity, mass is a scalar quantity, and weight is nothing but the one type of force. So it is the major SI unit of the weight is a Newton, and the weight can be changes, means from everywhere it will be changes. So difference between the mass and weight, one quantity, that is the mass, is same everywhere, weight changes. One mass is a scalar quantity, weight is a vector quantity. The SI unit of the mass is kilogram and SI unit of the weight is a Newton. So here we finish. Value of G changes everywhere as well as difference between the mass and weight.